Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Gmail Verify It's You. If Gmail keeps asking you to verify your identity, the issue is often related to your account security settings or stored browser data. In this walkthrough, we'll go through a few simple checks that can help you resolve it and make sign-in smoother. Start by opening your web browser and heading over to your Google account page. This is where you can review the settings connected to your Gmail access and security. Make sure you're on the official Google account management area before continuing, since this is where the verification and recovery options are managed. Once you're there, go to your profile in the upper right corner of the screen. This is the section that gives you access to your account details. If you're signed into multiple Google accounts, take a moment to confirm that you're working with the correct one. That can help avoid confusion, especially if the verification prompt is only happening on one specific Gmail account. Next, look to the left panel and click on Security and Sign In. This section contains the settings Google uses to confirm your identity when something looks unusual, like a new device, a different location, or outdated account recovery details. Opening this area will let you check whether your account information is complete and up to date. From there, update or verify your recovery options. This is a very important part of the process. Recovery methods help Google confirm that the account really belongs to you, especially if you sign in from a different device or if suspicious activity is detected. Review the available recovery settings carefully and make sure the information listed is current and accessible to you. If the problem continues, try clearing your browser cache as well. On the upper right side of your browser window, click the three dots to open the browser menu. This area gives you access to settings related to your browsing history, stored files, and cookies. Sometimes old cache data can interfere with Google's sign-in checks and cause repeated verification prompts. After opening that menu, choose the option to delete browsing data and cookies. Clearing this information can refresh your browser session and remove outdated login data that may be causing the issue. After that, sign back in again and see if Gmail stops asking you to verify it's you. By checking your security settings and refreshing your browser data, you can often fix this issue quickly. If needed, repeat the process carefully and make sure all account recovery options are fully updated.